Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. We're in Parkers Crossroads in Tennessee, where a famous American Civil War battle was fought. This area was where Brigadier General Nathan Forrest's expedition met with the Union forces of Colonel Cyrus Dunham and Colonel John Fuller. Now this battle only took place for about 5 hours as the Union tried to stop Brigadier General Forrest's advance past the Tennessee River. On December 31st, 1862, the skirmish began at around 9 a.m. It was a bloody battle involving a lot of artillery and cavalry. Nearing the end of the battle, General Forrest and the Confederate troops found themselves caught between two Union brigades, and this led him to give the order to charge them both ways. This counterattack was effective and threw the Union off guard. It also helped the Confederates escape and carry on their mission, but they ended up losing 500 men. The Union only lost 237. Now both sides do claim this battle as a victory. Even though the Union caused more casualties, the Confederacy did make it to their objective. You can research a little bit more about this battle in depth, but I'm just here to talk about this awesome Civil War battle site that has been presented in such an amazing way. So, if you're traveling somewhere between Nashville and Memphis, you'll find right in the middle is Parkers Crossroads. So the first thing you would want to do is go to the Parkers Crossroads Visitor Center. There, you'll find a museum and a gift shop. The museum is full of all kinds of details. They have artifacts on display. They have an awesome video you can watch about the battle and learn about the battle itself. You can also get information for the driving tour and the walking tour. Now, that's another good thing about this museum is that it has these two different tours. So if you wanted to stay in your car and drive around to the different points of where the battle took place, you can get out your car and you can get an idea of how the battle took place at that spot. There are 7 total stops on the driving tour, but if you don't mind a workout, you can do the walking tour. There are 3 walking trails: the North Loop Trail, the South Loop Trail, and the Artillery Trail. The paved walking trails include monuments, and you can see where a lot of these things took place and learn the history from a visual perspective, walking in the same footsteps as some of these soldiers would have walked back on December 31st, 1862. Now, when you start your walking tour, you probably want to go to the Parkers Crossroads City Park. You'll also see an activity center there with a restroom. They also have a kids playground. It's a great place for the kids as well. You can also visit the Parkers Crossroads Cemetery and the Tennessee State Veterans Cemetery. You'll also find a few fast food places in the area and some gas stations to fuel up your vehicle. So overall, I think it was a great place to visit if you're in the area and you want to go see some Civil War history. It gives you a great perspective on how the Confederacy was fighting during the early years of the Civil War. Overall, I'd probably rate this Civil War battle site 7 out of 10. Well, that concludes the video, guys. If you ever find yourself near Parkers Crossroads in Tennessee, I say go check them out. It's a nice little American Civil War historic battlefield site. And as always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.